is Erica Bacon, and I am the owner of Preppin' for K Academy.
Preppin' for K Academy provides a YouTube online learning channel with hands-on activities for young children to thrive in education who are preparing for kindergarten and beyond, as well as retail learning materials to enhance early education, and that is through our mobile educational toy store. We are a locally owned small business located in Louisville, Kentucky. Kindergarten readiness is an important indicator of whether a child will succeed in their upcoming years in school. In the 2019 to 2020 school year, only 51.7% of JCPS's incoming kindergartners were prepared and ready for kindergarten. The effects that COVID had on child development and kindergarten readiness are not yet fully known. But what we do know is, due to reality, most children have spent the last few years in a home setting without educational resources and tools to further their education at home. Research states that children learn through play, and that's exactly what Preppin' for K Academy has to offer. So please remember that sharing is caring. Here are some of the educational tools and toys that we offer on our website, which is preppinforkacademy.org. As of right now, we have over 90 educational tools available with all of them in stock. We are also in the process of expanding to offer a larger variety of educational tools. Once you place your order, families have two options. I ship all over the world, or you can meet me in person as I travel all over Jefferson County to provide families with the educational resources. I am Erica Bacon. You can find Preppin' for K Academy on all social medias. That's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, and of course, YouTube. Now check out some of our customers.